Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could be your next source of income? Imagine a world where machines can learn, adapt, and even make decisions. We're not talking science fiction here. This is the reality of artificial intelligence. In the past decade, AI has seen exponential growth, leading to wide application across various industries. From autonomous vehicles to personalized marketing, AI is revolutionizing the business landscape. It's like a gold rush, but instead of panning for nuggets, we're mining data to strike it rich. AI's potential to generate income is immense and continues to grow as technology advances. Entrepreneurs, are you listening? This isn't just about tech giants. Businesses of all sizes can tap into this potential. AI could be a game changer for your business, whether you're a startup trying to break into the market or an established company looking to stay competitive. Now that you understand the potential AI holds, let's dive into how you can turn this potential into a source of income. Before you dive into making money with AI, it's crucial to understand what AI is and its market. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field in computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of intelligent behavior. In essence, AI systems are designed to mimic human intelligence, learning from experience, adapting to new inputs, and performing tasks that typically require human intellect, like understanding natural language or recognizing patterns. Now let's take a peek into the market for AI. It's vast, dynamic, and growing at an incredible pace. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global AI market size was valued at approximately $40 billion in 2021. It's projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 40% from 2022 to 2028. That's a meteoric rise. Key players in the AI market range from tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft to startups working on cutting-edge AI technologies. But here's the exciting part. AI isn't just for the tech behemoths. Small businesses and individual entrepreneurs are also leveraging AI to create innovative solutions and drive their growth. For instance, small businesses use AI to automate routine tasks, analyze customer data for insights, or even personalize customer experiences. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, are building AI-driven apps, creating AI-powered services, or even selling AI-related products and courses. The opportunities are vast and varied. Here's the takeaway. The AI market is not just about its size or growth rate. It's about the opportunities it presents for everyone, from tech giants to budding entrepreneurs. It's a field where innovation thrives, and those who can harness the power of AI stand to gain immensely. With a clear understanding of AI and its market, you're well on your way to making money with it. The next step in making money with AI is identifying opportunities where AI can add value. Now, how do we identify these opportunities? Well, it's about spotting areas where automation, data analysis, or predictive capabilities can enhance efficiency, accuracy, or profitability. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. Here, AI has been used to develop diagnostic tools that can detect diseases like cancer earlier than traditional methods. These tools not only save lives, but also generate revenue by reducing the costs of late-stage treatments. In the retail sector, AI has been employed to predict shopping trends and personalize customer experiences. By accurately predicting what a customer wants, businesses can increase their sales and reduce their inventory costs. The transportation industry has also seen a revolution with the advent of AI. Self-driving vehicles, for example, are expected to reduce accidents and optimize fuel usage, paving the way for cost savings and new revenue streams. Once you've identified potential opportunities, it's time to turn these ideas into reality. Developing and implementing AI solutions may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Let's break it down into digestible steps, starting with idea generation. This phase is all about brainstorming and letting your creativity run wild. Think about the problems in your industry or niche that could be solved with artificial intelligence. Don't limit yourself here. The sky is the limit. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to move into product development. This is where your concept becomes a reality. You'll need to assemble a team of experts, including AI specialists, software developers, and business strategists. Together, you'll design, build, and test your AI solution. Remember, this is an iterative process. Expect to make revisions and improvements along the way. Next, we have the market launch. This is where you introduce your AI solution to the world. It's essential to have a well-thought-out marketing strategy. You need to communicate the value of your product to your target audience effectively. Also, be prepared to handle feedback and criticism. These are invaluable for your product's continuous improvement. Throughout this whole process, there are three crucial elements to keep in mind. First, collaboration. Working with a diverse team will bring a broad range of perspectives and skills to the table. This diversity is key to developing a robust and innovative AI solution. Second, continuous learning. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. Staying up to date and continually learning is essential to stay ahead of the curve. And finally, adaptation. Be ready to pivot and adapt your product as the market and technology evolve. By successfully developing and implementing AI solutions, you're not just making money, you're also contributing to the advancement of technology. And that, my friends, is a win-win situation worth striving for. So, we've covered quite a bit about making money with AI. Let's quickly recap. We've talked about the immense potential of artificial intelligence in generating income. It's not some far-off concept anymore. It's here, and it's ready to be harnessed. We've delved into understanding AI and its market, highlighting that it's not just about the tech, but also about knowing where and how it can be applied. We've also identified opportunities for AI, showing how it's not just limited to big tech companies but can be utilized by anyone with an innovative spirit. And finally, we've discussed developing and implementing AI solutions. It's about taking those opportunities and turning them into profitable ventures with the right strategy and execution. With the right knowledge and approach, AI can indeed be your next source of income. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI journey today. For more videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for all the latest content from Money Masters. Until next time, keep mastering your money.